Hello everyone and welcome to this video about licensing RealFlow Learning Edition version for Linux in this case. When we launch RealFlow for the very first time, we're prompted to enter a new GUI license. So we just click on new license and we will be able to paste in right here the contents of the GUI learning txt file, or better yet, we can directly select the file itself. OK, and close. OK, so RealFlow will keep starting up. RealFlow is now licensed and ready to work in GUI mode. But in order to take advantage of the RealFlow node, we will follow a different way for licensing. In production environments, the RealFlow nodes licenses are mostly driven by the Next Limit License Manager. But in this particular case of the Learning Edition version, we will have to go a different way. First of all, we will have to set up an environment variable. And depending on the Linux distribution that we have, if we're using a bash shell, or if we are using a C shell, we will have to go one way or another. In this particular case, I'm going to make this demonstration with Ubuntu. By default, it provides me with this bash shell. So we just need to type in export rf underscore node, use local license equals 1. Okay, and okay, now the environment variable has been set up. If for some reason you're using a C shell, the way of setting up this environment variable, it will be set m rf underscore node use local license space 1. Okay, so in this case, this environment variable will be set up for C shells. I'm going to go back to my bash, and I'm going to open up the RealFlow application folder and bin. So I'm just going to drag and drop the node here, and the file that I want to simulate, the test file that I have previously done, which is this scene actually. Okay, so I'm just here in the terminal. We drag and drop the file that we want to simulate, and we click enter. So for the very first time, we will get this pop-up window in order to add license, exactly as we did in the beginning of this video. We're going to access, in this case, to the Node Learning license. Hit OK and close. OK. So the simulation will keep starting up. Okay. Here we have the frames that are being simulated. And if we update the timeline cache, all of these are the particles that the node is currently simulating. Frame 83, 85. So here we are, 83, 85, etc. Okay, so here you are. These are the two different ways of licensing RealFlow Learning Edition for both GUI and Node. Enjoy, and thanks for watching.